This woman has got to be one of the most arrogant sovereign citizens that I've ever seen or dealt with. She has the nerve after she gets pulled over to tell the officers they need to know their place. And trust me, by the looks of this is going to be a fun one.
Why do you not have a license plate on the back of the Tesla?
This is a brand new car. I just purchased it. I have the temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back.
On the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. If that's the insurance, we're going to need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I should have stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking you, okay? And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there.
Got to give her at least her name and date of birth, and it has to show you a form of ID.
What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name.
Okay, this is interesting what I'm seeing here. So I think this officer at the driver's side might be in field training, and the officer on the passenger side might be the training officer. And it looks like the female's getting information or guidance from someone on the phone, which is very sovereign. So it looks like maybe there's two people in training because the lady who's driving doesn't look like she's very versed in this, and it looks like the officers are novices as well. But we got to watch to see this a little more. This is interesting.
I want to make sure for your record.
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purpose.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. Last name.
I'm giving my last name.
Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I'm traveling right
Oh, so she's just giving the first name.
See, she's messed it up. She doesn't even know the script. I can tell you this is going to be good.
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
Lawful being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and as I just mentioned to her.
Sorry?
Huh?
You can see the phone in her lap with it on speaker, and that's where I think she's getting the guidance of what's going on. And this newer officer is getting the assistance of these other two officers. This is good.
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
You have PC to tow the car without a tag on it right now.
So you have no tag on your vehicle. That's why you're being stopped.
Correct.
Okay. So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You're not understanding. You have no
That's not a
tag.
crime. That's not a crime.
That is a crime.
There's that phone right there. And so this is that whole circular conversation that's going on.
Are you going to identify yourself? We have to have some type of way to identify you.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4.
Oh, this woman is insufferable. I'm getting flashbacks. I dealt with people like this before.
She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done that earlier.
My vehicle and all of my stuff. And I don't
I'm actually listening to the radio, so.
ID for us to identify you.
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a packet because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport, etc.
So it's in a bag in the trunk.
Correct.
What color is the bag?
It's not in a bag, it's in a pouch.
Okay, so what color is the pouch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID in it. So can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in.
Either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
This is going to end in jail.
You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are being
Go ahead and roll, Johnson.
extremely aggressive.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're ready to get her out of the car.
All right. We're going to go ahead and... Afuera.
She said pa fuera. That means in Spanish, get her out. You're getting out the car now.
No, excuse me, what are you about to do?
Is the car off,
What are you
ma'am?
about to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going to
you
do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information
agreeing
that we are
to
asking for you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I got her hit.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about? Yes, I did. Do not touch me.
Get out of the car.
No, y'all.
Come here. Just come with me.
What are you doing?
I'm going to have you come to the back of the car over here.
Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything.
It's really incredibly disappointing when you see people act like this in front of their kids and put their kids through this degree of stress, not acting like an adult. They're supposed to be the responsible one. It really infuriates me to see people do this in front of their kids.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of these damn
sounds
handcuffs.
good. We already
Get me out
tried
of
talking to
handcuffs.
you. We're done
Where's
talking.
your supervisor? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual, doing her duties in her job.
She's doing exactly what she should be doing, ma'am. You've been uncooperative so far, ma'am, so you're going to remain in cuffs until we're comfortable that you're cooperative, okay?
Am I being arrested?
You said you're being detained until we got.
Am I being arrested? I need these off of me right now.
We're gonna wait for our supervisor, like you requested, right?
I didn't request to be yanked out of my vehicle.
Okay.
You did request it because the way you acted, you're going to get taken out of the car. You did. You didn't verbally say take me out, but your behavior, you're getting taken out of the car.
But just so you know what's happening, right? So your mom's being detained right now because she's driving a vehicle without a license plate on it, right? So we don't know what's going on, so she's being detained.
Just think about this kid who has to stand in the middle of the road with all these police lights flashing and her mom in custody. This could have totally been avoided.
Okay. So you're not being detained, then, right? Your mom is. Okay. So if somebody comes to pick you up, whatever it is, they're welcome to do that. You do not have to stay here, should you not want to. Okay. If you want to remain with your mom, you're welcome to do that. I'm just here to make sure that no cars hit you, that you're safe, and all that stuff.
One thing I would have maybe done is let the daughter sit in the front seat of the car, just so that she doesn't have to have all these people driving by, potentially neighbors and everything. To save her the embarrassment.
Hey, Sarge. She's passenger in the van, so just making sure she's okay.
Okay. What do we got going on?
Driver out, so
Okay. How can I help you?
There's no crime, which there is not. I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive ass cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle without my consent. Open my door unlawfully and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
I, as a sergeant, am responding to these. This is not a good way to start off talking to the sergeant. It's not going to help you.
You said you weren't driving?
Correct. I'm traveling. And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept anything less than. And everyone here is going to be sued
Okay.
for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
Okay.
All right.
Let me just stay here. I'll talk to the other officer. See what you guys got going on. Okay.
Now you hear that allegation, right? She touched me in ways that are not acceptable. This looks like Orlando, which is a pretty big department. Any type of formal complaint or allegation made, they have to be investigated to some degree. And the mere allegation sucks. No one wants to have to go through that stuff. And it's really unfortunate that this person is not acting like an adult and handling this situation differently.
Ma'am, your daughter said that you guys were on your way to school. Is that correct? All right, so I know she needs to get over there. So you have like school books or something like that, a bag or whatever? Okay, so I'm gonna go in there and get that for you.
What makes you guys think that you can touch my personal property? Like, who are you?
Where is it?
Right now,
I
ma'am.
have not done anything other than
ma'am.
drive
In
her
the back
to school.
seat?
You guys have literally yanked me out of my vehicle
hold on,
at 7 o'clock in the morning.
I'm
No,
trying to help you,
understand
man.
how aggressive this woman is
That
in front of
cool?
me?
Trying to help
And
you.
you're still trying to make me speak with her.
Vinny.
I'm sorry.
So we're gonna just open the door and her daughter's gonna grab the seat.
We don't know what's in there, right? I don't have no reason to believe that your daughter wants to hurt me or anything like that, right? I just don't know what's in there. So
You guys
I need
removed
to
us from the car.
I need to make sure that whatever she gets is not going to hurt us. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay.
Oh, ridiculous. I can't
You're
believe
okay to come over here. Okay. Your stuff. Can we open this door over here? Is that okay? Okay. I just don't want you sitting over there with cars. Yeah, okay. Just, show it to your mom. Make sure that's your phone.
Do not touch me.
Put this phone back in the car, please.
You can't give it to your mom. Are you going to take it with you?
Oh, no. She's giving it to me. Why can't she
You
give
can't
it to
have
me,
your
though?
phone. She said she was
Are you
taking it with
kidding
her.
me?
Back in the car.
Okay.
Why can I not have my phone?
Because you're detained right now, ma'am.
For what crime?
The officer explained that to you already, right?
No, there's no crime taking
Okay.
place
Are you
here.
taking this with you, or are you leaving?
Leave it in the car.
Leaving the car?
Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time. I'm not.
She's right here.
away from-
She's right here, ma'am. You can talk to her.
Call Chris, please.
If we're gonna do telephone communication between the two, we're not gonna allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then, okay.
Do not touch me. Let me... Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
I'm gonna have to put her in the car because she's not. I'm gonna have to put her in the car
Sir, please get her off of me.
because she's trying to do.
Sir,
She's
please
trying,
get
she's trying to ask her daughter a
daughter
call. She's
to do
asking,
stuff.
asking her daughter for the phone.
You have
You guys
anything
are
on
breaking the
you?
wall right now.
Do you have anything
Get her
on
off of
you?
me.
Do you have anything?
Ma'am, would you like me to escort you over to school? Yeah. Okay.
So
What am I being arrested for?
You've been arrested for resisting.
I'm not resisting anything.
You resisted because you did not.
I am not
identify yourself.
resisting anything.
And you're-
That is not... Sir, please.
I understand that you don't recognize the local laws and the state laws. You have a different belief
I'm not
system.
refused anything.
Hold on a
I told them
second.
where it was. I told them I would get it.
But
You're not allowed to get it. I told you I would get it for you.
you didn't. If you aren't providing your name and identification, If you aren't, if you're,
I gave them my name.
if you're resisting officers,
I'm not resisting anything.
if they're trying to get,
I asked
they're
them if I
trying
could
to,
talk to my daughter.
they're trying to identify who you are, and you aren't providing your name and your
I gave them my
information.
name.
But that name wasn't coming up.
What do you
And
mean
then
that
you
name is
weren't,
not coming
and then
up?
you weren't giving them anything that they could use to identify you. You're also driving in a vehicle, or you're traveling in a vehicle that doesn't have a license plate on. So that's why they stopped you. Not cooperating and providing the officers the information they needed. That's a form of passive resistance.
It is not.
And they're placing you in arrest
not.
as a result of that. That's
Sir, it's not.
That's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
here
your
right
terms,
now.
by your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not resisted
All right.
anything.
He
Okay. Do you want me to? Your daughter needs to get to school. Okay, so do you want me to release her to school? Do you want me to escort her to school? How do you want me to get her over there?
You can come over here.
Sir, can you please get this woman out of my face?
I'm not moving.
Ma'am, let's just focus on your daughter.
Just focus on her. Focus on your daughter.
Can you please call Chris? Is he not answering?
Okay, how you get your daughter to school? Because this is why I separated you, because you're trying to do stuff through your daughter, which you're not allowing. How are you going to get your daughter to
Who are you, my maker? Like, who are you to not allow?
We're gonna close the door.
Am I going to walk her over there, or is she going to walk by herself?
I don't really think she's
I don't mind walking her over.
Yeah, let's walk. We're gonna walk you over to school, okay? We're not gonna walk you into the campus. We're just gonna, so that way you're not embarrassed. We're gonna walk you up and just see you in.
I'll take her.
All right.
All right, ma'am.
somebody forgot?
Hey, Vinny, just let her know where her mom will be at, okay? So she could tell the adult.
You think this is over because she's in the back of a police car. There's actually an interesting, wild twist as this progresses that even confused me a bit.
I have not resisted once.
Okay.
Just because you have nothing else better to do.
Okay.
You don't understand what liability that you are.
So we're gonna go ahead and get going, because the longer we keep you here, the longer within a reasonable amount of time, or within 6 to 8 hours. So the sooner we get you down and get you processed, the sooner you can get out. So I'm not gonna hold you here any longer. I'm gonna let the officers go ahead and finish up here so we can get you down and get you processed.
So the resisting charge, traffic charges are what I'm hearing the officers say. The resources, 3 officers and a sergeant having to walk the daughter to school, and now this person is being booked. This to me is felony stupid. This is just so avoidable. It baffles me. I watch these videos. I've done it in the past, and the person is willing to sit in the back of a police car. But that's not it. It gets even crazier.
We pulled over for having no license plate on the vehicle.
Right.
They called you, sir, right? To pick up the vehicle.
If y'all are okay with
Well, you couldn't drive it because I have a tag
It
on
doesn't have
it.
a tag.
Oh, so there you go. Okay then.
Correct. Point to me what law that says if
So
we're
let
in
me
commerce, we need a driver.
Let me explain.
This is a person that looks like he's picking up the vehicle and may have been the person that was on speakerphone. I'm not sure, but his behavior is giving me those vibes.
I know exactly the law.
If you get in the vehicle and you pull away, we will see you. We're going to
That's
pull
fine.
you over.
That's fine.
And then
you're going to have a lawsuit. Then you're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job, and you're going to lose
sir,
your
I'm
job.
not worried about losing
You
my
guys,
job.
you guys have not provided a law.
If you don't mind, just I don't want you to get back on.
You guys have not provided a law because we wouldn't be. First and foremost, somebody took the tag off, or it flew off. So it's not like it's a stolen vehicle.
But we still have probable cause to pull the vehicle over.
That the tag flew off, the tag, got lost. If you just give us the information, say where's the tag, this could have all been seized.
That's not a law. So I want to
We're not gonna argue over it. No, I'm saying, so this is what we're gonna do. I thought you drove another car here.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. You can't drive it in our presence.
Absolutely.
Since you're here, you're in control of it. No, we don't want to know that. We're gonna leave.
Okay.
If you drive this car and you get stopped again, we're not gonna mess with you. But if somebody else stops you, you have to deal with
That's
the
on me,
repercussions.
exactly.
Okay?
I understand.
But don't drive this in our presence.
Absolutely.
We're sorry you had to come out. If you need to do whatever, we're gonna know. We're just gonna leave it. He's gonna be in control of it. Okay?
You don't want it towed?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah. All right. So you can take possession of the car. Don't drive it in our presence. If you do get stuck driving with it, just understand that you can get stopped and get written a ticket.
Yes, sir.
Get a plate on there or something.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Like, it's not like, listen.
All right, sir.
Let us leave.
All right.
Go ahead and leave it.
Yeah, before you do any of that. 33rd, yes.
Yeah.
all due respect, sergeant to sergeant, I would have had that vehicle towed, because this kind of gives this guy, it embracens him, or gives him the feeling that he has now power, because he's going to tell everyone, yeah, I talked my way out of having my car towed. His car should have been towed. His attitude and everything else. It's like the saying from fishing. If you catch him, you clean him. So that if another officer sees this vehicle and pulls it over, they have to deal with this guy and all the nonsense when it could have been nipped in the bud right here. So all due respect, sergeant to sergeant, I feel that vehicle should have been towed. And again, let's just think about this and put a nice little bow on this. People need to start acting like adults, especially when kids are around, because that young lady had to witness her mom going through that type of situation. What kind of guidance is she getting that this is where her mom ends up in the back of a police car with this resisting charge that she has to answer for? And another interesting thing that I'll share with you is you'll notice a lot of times with the sovereign situations that people are more concerned about their vehicle getting towed than going to jail. It's because they can't weasel their way around the civil side of having to pay those charges. But a lot of times charges end up getting dismissed for whatever reason, never for the sovereign reason, but they much rather stand up to that than have to pay the legal challenges from having their vehicle towed and not having a vehicle to get around. So if you know someone who can benefit from this and not fall into this trap, please share and like the video. And if you like this kind of content, click on the video on your screen so you can see a video very similar.